Every fleet manager's nightmare isn't the van. It's the breakdown nobody saw coming. A snapped chain, a dead battery, a vehicle that needed a £50,000 charging hub before it could even start the job. This is CityQ, Norwegian design, German engineering, and no chain anywhere. Instead of mechanical gears, CityQ runs a fully software-managed drivetrain. Pedal movement converts directly into power. No chain to snap. No gears to strip. Up to 30% fewer breakdowns than traditional cargo bikes. And the charging? The dual batteries slide out from under the seat in seconds and plug into any standard wall socket. No charging infrastructure, no capital program, no delay before your fleet is on the road. Wolt proved what that means at scale. 5 bikes, minus 10 degrees, snow and ice, 100 kilometers a day. Oslo winters, running for a year and a half without stopping. No chain, no charging station, no excuse not to switch. CityQ.com.